Dis baie dinge wat gebeur in Suid-Afrika wat net in die afgelope week gebeur het. Ek gaan probeer om alles in perspektief te sit in een video. Ek meng tussen Engels en Afrikaans om alles in 'n pot in te kry soos 'n mixed vegetable pot sop. Die ander groot probleem is dit is mos nou weer load shedding en dit gaan nou 6:00 hier by my load shedding wees en dit is klaar 5:15. Ok, kom ons praat my eerste van die grootste storie wat nou aangaan is die ontploffing wat gebeur het in Joburg CBD in Bree straat. Honestly speaking though, Joburg CBD was an explosion waiting to happen. Kom ek wys julle gou die footage. Ok, so die is Bree straat in Johannesburg. Ok, dit lyk maar gewoonlik lyk daar het 'n explosion gebeur. So hulle sê dit is wat mense eers gesien het, dit is daai wit gas wat daar uitkom van die onderste gedeelte van die pad af. Die rommel wat rond lê en die vullis en alles is a normal occasion in Bree Street thanks to yours truly the ANC. This is the moment the explosion went off. Boom. Kyk hoe lyk hy Texas lyk of 'n TV game of iets. Nou sal jy sien die mense begin hol en hulle is like, "Wame, wat gaan aan? Ek ken my poep sal koud gewees het." Mense weet nie, is dit explosion, is dit 'n earthquake, wat gaan aan nie, ek sou ook nie geweet het, ek ken nie, sou ek gevlieg het so Superman nie, but it is quite a scary situation. This is real. This happened in Bree Street in Johannesburg. Jy kan sien mense weet nie, kom of gaan hulle nie, en ek weet my poep sal koud gewees het. Hulle maak sommer die winkel ook toe nou, want hulle weet nie, wat gaan nou volgende gekom, Godzilla nou miskien onderuit. But it is a scary situation, en ek sou nie dit wil deurgegaan het, asseblief, not me. So daar is letterlik 'n gat in die straat. 'n lang lyn. Dis moord toe. Mense, kyk daar. Dit is hoeveel die pad opgelig het. En obviously almal is buite met hulle phones, want to capture it, want to understand what's recht hier. Hulle maak reeds die baie reg en nou is ons nog verder in onze glorie ook nog.
Won't be able to come back home at the moment, and majority of you all won't be able to go to work tomorrow due to the explosion. As you can see, people are running away because of it's still in progress. But meanwhile, the cars that have fallen to their sides are these ones. I'm not sure even about the extension 9 residents. As you can see, a taxi has fallen down on its side, and then the taxi in front that has fallen down on its side actually had passengers. Understand? It actually had passengers, and it literally went on its side. The whole street, literally. Ha 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 ha. Look at that quantum over there. Ha 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 ha. Guys. Shit.
So you can see it was baie erg, it was really very bad and people are still unclear about what happened. One person died and 48 people were injured, but we still don't know why this happened. So omdat mense daai gas gesien het in die begin en toe gebeur die ontploffing, people were starting to think that it could be gas from underneath. And then Igoli Gas came out with a statement to say, but it's not our gas. Igoli Gas believes it is unlikely that the explosion in Bree Street, Johannesburg was caused by a gas pipeline or a leak. Igoli says they have not experienced any pressure loss, which indicates the gas pipelines are still intact. The pipelines operate at extremely low pressure, providing safe gas supply in highly built-up areas and are therefore unlikely to cause an explosion or to explode. Initial reports have shown the collapse in the road to be mainly in the center. The gas pipelines of Igoli Gas are located in the road servitudes on the side of the road. According to them, the team is investigating for any gas leaks. They found none so far, and they say that on their side they are on the servitudes, and they urge the public to not make assumptions. Following that, Igoli Gas released another statement to update the public, and they say the pipeline running on the road servitude has been checked and it is not damaged. A small leak was detected on the servitude pipeline at the corner of Bree and Elof on a 100mm pipe. They believe that the crack in the pipe was caused by the collapse of the road. They are busy repairing that leak. They also say there are about 15 other utility lines in the same area. For example, maybe a sewage line that runs directly underneath the street. They want to reiterate their pipelines run on the servitude of the road. They also report that 2 manhole covers were blown off and a white gas-like substance is seen coming from the openings as well as some of the exposed cracks in the road. So this is the white gas that Igoli gas is talking about in the statement. So Igoli gas is saying we would like to mention that our piped natural gas is not visible to the human eye and this appears to be visible warm steam. For ons verder gaan met die story, there was another breaking news story about another explosion in Soweto today, actually a few minutes ago, in Bramfisherville. But this was not a big explosion, it was actually somebody's gas heater at their house. Gauteng authorities have confirmed the death of one person in Bramfisherville, Soweto, this afternoon following a heater explosion at their home. Now, a lot of people are obviously speculating that this is actually due to illegal foreigners that are mining in our sewers. Illegally in the land and also illegally mining. Recipe for disaster. Daar kan baie waarheid in die spesifieke storie is van die illegal foreigners. Kom ons kyk gou die artikel van 2018. Parts of Johannesburg could explode or collapse due to illegal mining. 25 November 2018. Dit is wat gebeur as dit 'n anything goes free for all land is Takalani Sesame. Jy kan net kom en doen soos jy wil, sonder enige consequences. In die meantime, weet jy waar was jou president Rampies?
The president is now unveiling assistant for the CEO. This is a statue of President Mandela.
Does it know where? Oh wow, it's so beautiful. Oh wow, I didn't know. Hy's altyd shocked vir alles. Meanwhile, ons lewe in moerse poverty. Ons is nou verby armoede, ons weet nou nie meer kom of gaan ons nie. 2 new Mandela statues unveiled in the Eastern Cape leave a bitter taste as Durban prepares to unveil another at 22 million rand cost to the taxpayer. Here's the other statue. Die ene was 22 million rand. Lyk die een soos Mandela, wat gaan hier aan? Julle mors ons se geld. The statues cost 3 million rand to design, develop and install. Nelson Mandela Museum CEO Vianney Boy said that although the poor could not eat statues, having them would attract local and international tourists. Wat se toerus gaan kom as die pad net van self af opspring en die taxi spring en die mense spring en alles is nou net in sy moeren. Vir 'n statue. Al die pad van Noorsee kom om 'n statue te kom kyk, wat nie eens regtig lyk soos Nelson Mandela nie. Newsroom Africa sê, creating memorials for national heroes is a common practice around the world. However, it becomes an issue when it is prioritized when people are still struggling to get access to basic needs. So terwyl mense swaar kry, gaan jou president 'n statue gaan aanwyl van hoeveel miljoen rand van ons geld. In die meantime, is 100 rand se krag 28 units. 'n brood is amper 20 rand. 2 liter melk 30 rand. Dan moet jy nog kyk of jy ekstra geld het van is mos nou nog load shedding, so jy moet nog gas ook koop. Ek gaan nou nie eens praat van vleis en hoender en wat se ander kosse nie. Van nou dan fyn jy die brood en dan dip jy dit in 'n bietjie sous net vir die smaak. So ja, as ek vir julle sê dit is Takalani Sesame, glo my. As mos nou weer amper election tyd, so hulle gaan nou weer jam om julle se bekke kom smeer en ek praat nie van regte jam wat jy kan eet nie. Gaan julle nog verder aan met die mense, hulle gaan nog die gas uit jou heater uitsteel.